Hi and welcome to p5.js tutorial of a random function. So if I move my mouse here, you see that it's just lines, but if I start moving it to the right, you see what happened. That's using p5.js. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into bracket development environment for p5.js, and we put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Okay guys, we're going to start the random function tutorial by entering the following function. So let's say function setup, enter a curly braces right there. So the first thing I like to do is to define my canvas, and that is meant to be the resolution for my screen. So that's what I intend to use, 1350 by 600. The next thing is to use function field. So if I enter 0, that means my lines that I intend to use will come out as black. So let's say stroke 10. And what about the stroke width? Stroke width, I'm going to make that 20. There. So that is my function setup completed. Now the next thing is I'm going to now create function draw. Function draw will be used to draw my lines. Enter curly braces. So with the function draw, first of all, let me declare my background, and this is how we declare background in p5.js. so the background I intend to use is going to be blue, sky blue. So let's say 255.255.170. Right. Okay, if it's sky blue, I think sky blue is totally different. So the sky blue is going to be 217 by 217 and 255. Now let's use a for loop. For, let's say variable x equals, I'm going to make the value 40 column, and let's say x less than width and x plus equals 40, and enter a curly braces there. Now let's declare it following. I'm going to say q equals mouse. Let's say mouse x. That is for q. And we can divide mouse x by 10. Now declare another variable. I'm going to call that draw. Maybe draw set a equals random minus q comma q. And let's go for another variable. So let's come in here. I'm going to call that draw set b. Draw set b, that is going to be random minus q and q. Now draw a line. So this is how we draw a line. We say x that I have right up there plus draw set A, this very one here, comma 20, comma x minus draw set B, comma, and let's make that 500. So the argument that the line takes is 4 arguments in total. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's save and try to run it and see how it's going to look like. Okay, before we run it, let's just have a good look at it. I think there's an error here. Let's correct that, and it's meant to be a semicolon here. So let's save it again and then run it. Maybe change this to 580. Save it one more time, then compile and run. There we go, and that's how you use random function in p5.js. So if I move my mouse to the right, you see it, all of the lines are kind of moving randomly, but if I move it to the right, this is what happened. See that, guys? So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.